Looking for consistently clean, great-tasting water straight from your faucet? The 1-year high-capacity filter replacement pack for 6-stage reverse osmosis systems ensures every glass you pour is fresh, pure, and healthy. Imagine crystal-clear ice cubes, richer coffee and tea, and baby formula made with water that's better than most bottled options. This filter pack makes it possible, without the hassle. Here's why it matters. Standard RO membranes remove harmful pollutants but also strip away some beneficial minerals, leaving water slightly acidic with a pH of 7.0 or lower. That's where the alkaline mineral filters come in. They restore essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, balancing the pH and giving you water that's not only clean but also naturally healthier and tastier. The pack includes 9 individually wrapped filters: sediment, granular activated carbon, carbon block, post-carbon, and alkaline mineral filters, designed to keep your system running smoothly for a full year. I've personally used a 6-stage RO system with this filter pack for years, and the difference is clear. Installation is straightforward thanks to the updated push-fit quick connection design. No special tools or plumbing expertise needed. Plus, the system fits neatly under the sink, saving space without compromising performance. My mom, who has an extremely sensitive palate, noticed no chemical taste or smell, just pure, refreshing water every time. The filters last around 1.5 years depending on use, and when it's time to replace them, the process is quick and easy. If you ever run into issues, customer support is just a call away and ready to help within seconds. If you're serious about clean drinking water that tastes great and supports your health, this 1-year filter pack is worth a look. It keeps your reverse osmosis system in peak condition, delivering balanced, mineral-rich water day after day. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your home's water quality with a solution that's reliable, affordable, and backed by excellent support.